Hey there, it's Chris Peterson, the Apple Campus Rep for UMass Amherst, and today we're going to be going over a quick demonstration of Mac OS X 10.5 Leopard, next generation, great, powerful operating system. So this, when you start up your Mac for the first time, will be what you see. It's the background, and this is called the Finder. This is the desktop, and the Finder is the application that you use to navigate the desktop. It's this little happy face down here. Very convenient, very happy, very cheerful. Now there's a few things about the Finder. In the top left corner, you'll have a couple really important system options, such as force quit, sleep, restart, shut down, log out, and in Finder, empty the trash. Then you'll have some other things, organizational things like new folder, new Finder window, how to keep your desktop arranged, where you want to go for shortcuts on your computer, and a help menu. Now over here on the right hand side, there is the quick user switching, which allows you to switch between concurrently logged in users with just a click of a button, the date and time, how much battery life you have left, wireless stuff, and some other program options. You also have this, which I think is one of the best features about OS X Leopard. And it's called Spotlight. Spotlight is search, but it's search on steroids. So for instance, on my computer I have a program called GarageBand, but maybe I can't remember where I left it, so I'll just search GarageBand. And you can see that any time GarageBand is mentioned on my system, it pops up here. So it pops up as an application, pops up as a definition, pops up as a document, pops up as a folder, pops up as a PDF document for the manual, and pops up in websites that I may have visited that had GarageBand in it. But this isn't just limited to application, this is anything on your computer. So for instance, I've got this little text file on my desktop called Leopard Demo. And I forget it, let's say I don't remember where I put it. I can just search, I know that the word leopard was in it, I can search leopard. And bam, it's the first document to hit up. Nothing ever gets lost on your Mac ever again. It's a great, wonderful little application. And it's also built into the Finder window. Now, if you have used Windows in the past, you're familiar with My Computer, clicking the happy face will bring you up to a similar interface, but it also has Spotlight built in right here. But you can also go ahead and go back and search on the desktop, search in demo. You've got all different types of views. You've got icon view, you've got list view, you've got column view, and then you have cover flow. Now if you've used an iPod Touch or an iPhone, you're probably familiar with cover flow. Cover flow is a great way to quickly preview everything in a folder. So for instance, this is my desktop folder. We're going to go ahead and it shows me right here. It shows me, and you can notice that it's previewing the contents of the folder as I'm opening it. So I'll drag this, make it a little bit bigger. Right here. And this is a movie, so I can actually play it and preview it right here in the cover flow. Hey there, it's Chris. And I can do the same thing with any text files, no matter what their conversion or anything else like that. Now over here on the left hand side I can see what devices are connected to my computer, I can see what hard drives are connected to my computer, I can see, quick off and access folders here on the left side. I can do searches for things that were modified or edited today, yesterday, the past week, all images, all movies, and all documents. And it's just a great way to navigate around everything on your computer so that nothing gets lost or misplaced. The other cool thing is system preferences. This is a great way to organize everything on your settings. So for instance, I can change how my desktop looks, I can change how my internet sharing looks, I can change the sound qualities, I can change my accounts, the date and time, software update. Let's say I know that there's a feature on my Mac that allows me to use my Mac as a wireless router and take my internet connection and share it with a password protected wireless setting to anybody who cares to connect. Now I don't remember how to do that, but I know it was called internet sharing, I don't remember where it's stored. Well, you'll notice that there's a little spotlight window up here in the top left corner. So I'll go ahead and type in internet sharing, and down here you can see that it's highlighted the preference pane that setting is contained in. Or I can just click this bookmark and I'll go to it and it'll just take me right there. Now you can do this, and this is how you can change all your settings in the dock, in CDs and DVDs and everything. It's a great way to centralize everything that's very accessible. Another great setting is, another great area is down here in the Applications folder, Utilities. And here you have all the utilities to help you with your Mac. So for instance, your command line utility, if you want to get into the code, a screenshot utility right here called Grab, and perhaps the most important one, which is Disk Utility, which allows you to repair your disk if anything goes wrong with it. All you gotta do is click the disk and click Repair Disk Permissions. Some other great organizational features of your Mac include Expose, which is built into the keyboard buttons on your computer. So for instance, let's say I got a few documents open, I can't organize them. It's an awful lot of documents open. What I can do is I can just press one of the keys on my desk, on my keyboard, and it'll automatically overlay all of them so that I can choose between which ones I want to access. A similar thing is Dashboard, which is just a great way to organize simple, what are called widgets, for access to easy information. So for instance, here I have a little calculator, I have a little system statistics application, system monitoring application, I have the weather, the calendar, and let's say I want to add something else in here. I'll throw in, I don't know, I'll throw in a Yellow Pages application. Just drag it right in there. And now I can enter in a business name. It'll show me stuff near me. Now there's a ton of these applications, and they're all free and they're all downloadable from Apple's website, and you can just install them really easily. So those are some great things that you can do with your Mac, and with very simple settings too. In our future tutorials, we'll get into some of the applications proper, into some of the application suites. But this should help you get oriented to your Mac and just start getting used to playing with it. If you need any help and you're stumped on how to set up one thing or another, feel free to contact Eugene or I through the website. You can contact us through umassmug.org or 5collegemug.org. Once again, I'm Chris Peterson, the Apple Campus Rep for UMass Amherst. I hope this was a helpful video. Hope you enjoy your Mac experience, and I'll talk to you soon.